Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the next action item in our agenda. So here we have the activities. We've completed the first activity. It's still in progress, still directing our EC2 instance. The next one is using a foundational model over here. So click on that, and this is about like the wide access models which you have. So I'm gonna show you multiple leading AI companies models in AWS, which you can use for generating text, images, videos, and embedding the output through unified API. So, which means that your website can use an artificially generated content by taking inputs from your customer and then processing it through any of the models which is available for you in this bedrock, and then processing an output directly to your customer. So this option lets you do that. So that's basically what bedrock is all about, and we will be using a bedrock playground to enable a model and submit a prompt and generate a response. Those three things we will see in hands-on in this video. So click on start activity. It's about to take 5 minutes. So on the left side you have the menu. So this is where your bedrock is. So it starts with the overview, quick start, API keys and stuff like that, which is enabling you to connect with an application. You also have quotas where you can compare models, prices and other stuff, and quotas for these models. And you can see the playground over here. So that's where we are right now. The task is to select a model, select a company, and select a model of that company. I'll just show you how it looks like. When you click on select model, you will see categories, models, and interface. Now, categories are basically the name of the companies who provides models. For example, OpenAI provides model for ChatGPT. So this is basically the models which is available right now. So there are different kind of models available. For example, you have models which is a text-based input and output. You have image processing input and output, and something like that. You have multiple other options as well. Now let's go to Amazon itself. So Amazon has multiple AI models over here. You have Nova Sonic, you have now Nova Micro, Nova Real, likewise. So each one is different. So for example, Nova Micro is talks about input as text and output as text. Nova Sonic, on the other hand, input as speech and output as speech as well, and as well as text. So which means that the customer, when they record a message and send to you, can be processed by Nova Sonic, and then that on answer for that question could be a text message or a speech message as a recording. There's also other options like Nova Premiere, which has input from text, image, and video, and can be extracted as an output as a text. Now here you have Titan Image Generator, which basically inputs is text and image, and then the output is image. So likewise, you have so many other options over here, and which we can use it for our purpose. Like for example, we can use one of the image editors. Now you can see that here you can choose actually rather than choosing over here. So if I want to have text as an input and image as the output. Now there is only one company which does that. You have Nova Canvas and Nova and Titan Image Generator. So I'm just going to go with this and then click on apply. So now I'm connected with Nova Canvas model. So I'm just going to type a word over here and I expect an image out of this. No, nothing really happened. Okay, let's try a different model. It's a bit slow. Let's try a different model. Let's go to OpenAI. Let's try one of the models over here. Hello. How are you? Okay, too many tokens per day, so we have to wait. So here you have the quotas over here, so we can actually see our free quota, how many items we can do per instance. So yeah, that basically tells you the quotas over here, tokenizers. Yeah, so that's pretty much we have done what is needed to be done. We have interacted, we have added a model. So that should be added as well as part of our activity. All right, then. Thank you so much for watching this video. So this should get your points added. I'm sorry, dollars added to your account. It's a bit slow to realize that we have done it, but it's gonna get there. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.